Hello everyone, welcome back. This is PD Classes and today again we are going to have a little bit of session with one of our students here. This is Isha Sharma and we'll be having a little bit of session of about the importance of English language and some things related to that. So first of all I would like for Isha to give her introduction.
Good morning. I am Isha Sharma from Hanumangarh district, Rajasthan. I am a student of history. As per my education is concerned, I have passed my senior secondary education from CBSE. After that, I went on completing my Bachelor of Arts from Maharaja Ganga Singh University. Currently, I am a student of history. As per my familial relation is concerned, I have an adorable family of 10, but my husband and I reside in Hanumangarh. If we talk about my activity that I pursue in my pastimes are dancing and spending times with cows and dogs and traveling to new places and exploring new cultures. And if we talk about my PowerPoint that makes me a good asset are my honesty and diligence. And if we talk about my limited side of personality that I do not tolerate the poorly executive work.
Okay, very well. So your introduction was in English and today we are going to have some discussion about the English language. So first of all, you should tell me why do you think English is an important language that should be learnt throughout the complete nation?
English is an international language because it is known by most of the people, and in India also we can find almost 4 of the people who knew English very well, and not all but I think 70% of people know English because the literacy rate has become so high, so that we can say by using English and learning English we can get a lot of knowledge. Because if we want to talk to different people, and if people want to learn English and they want to go to foreign, they must learn English, because English is a very important language nowadays, and if students want to learn to English, they should learn English from the schools and through the institution, because in India we have so many institutions we found like PD classes in Sri Ganganagar, and if we want to get a real knowledge of new language, then English is one of the popular language that is learned by most of the countries and taught in most of the countries. Even in USA it is well known, and even in India it is well known. But if we talk about the India, the South people know the English very well in spite of North Indians, and so but in most times I can feel that North Indian people will also get to communicate with South Indian people, and they can speak English very well like South Indian people.
Okay, very well. Your views were very great, but still we want to tell the viewers कि देखिए जब आप इंग्लिश सीखने की बात करते हैं, at that moment it is not necessary कि जो सिर्फ स्कूल में सीखा है, that is all for everyone, because most of the times in schools, and we can say in generally in schools that we see in our areas, in our cities, उन schools में हम लोग oral पे इतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं जितना written English पे ध्यान दिया जाता है. And spoken is really we can say far away from the written part, क्योंकि हम writing पे एक ग्रामेटिकल चीज़ पे ध्यान देते हैं, बट स्पोकन पे इतना ज़्यादा नहीं ध्यान दिया जाता. सो आई कैन से कि फॉर यू टू लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपके पास में वो एनवायरमेंट तो हो, but sometimes we do not get that environment. So for that you have to have some kind of physics, some kind of medium जिनसे कि आप इंग्लिश में बातचीत कर सकें. You can improve your spoken English. So yes, that is the thing that you should consider if you want to learn spoken English. But if we are talking about the writing English, वो आप schools से भी सीख सकते हैं. These kinds of things are important for you to consider, and as ma'am stated, in many parts of India, English is well known. Like in the South, English is well known. Almost everyone in South India talks in English. But for North Indian, it is not necessarily. And I think the main reason for that is कि North India में ना हमारे पास में बहुत सारे हिंदी speakers हैं. एवरी स्टेट, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी स्टेट हैज़ हिंदी स्पीकर्स, तो हमें इंग्लिश की ज़रूरत नहीं है इतनी. बट साउथ इंडिया में हिंदी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ की जाती है, एंड दैट्स वाई दे हैव टू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ मीडियम जो कि उनका सबके साथ में चल सके, एंड फॉर दैट दे मस्ट हैव अडॉप्टेड द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. बट यही रीजंस हैं कि उनके पास एनवायरनमेंट बन गया है और हमारे पास में एनवायरनमेंट अभी भी नहीं है. सो फॉर दैट आई वुड एडवाइज ऑल ऑफ द स्पीकर्स, ऑल ऑफ द व्यूअर्स कि आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव तब कर पाएंगे when you have that environment, और sometimes हमारे एरियाज में वो environment नहीं प्रोवाइड होता. But yes, you can join some kind of classes. They will help you for your environment and some other activities. So this is it for the session where we discussed how English is an important language, why is it important, and how you can learn the spoken part of English. So this is it from PT classes, and we'll be giving you many more things, many more facts and informations about the English as well as some other institutes. Thank you.